Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Fast, the channel where learning English is quick, simple, and fun.
Hi, Mark. In our last video, we practiced everyday small talk, talking about the weather, hobbies, and weekend plans.
That's right. And today we're taking things to the next level. We're going on a trip.
Yes! Today's topic is travel English, perfect for your next adventure.
Mark, you'll learn useful English for the airport, the hotel, and how to ask for directions.
So, get ready to travel the world with confidence and in English.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps our channel grow.
And tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
All right, welcome to Chapter 1. At the airport.
Yes! Airports can be busy and sometimes confusing, especially if you're traveling in English. But don't worry, today we'll make it easy and fun.
Let's start with check-in. The first thing you do when you arrive at the airport. Here are some useful phrases you can use. Where is the check-in counter? Can I have a window seat, please? I have one suitcase to check in.
Great phrases. Okay, let's practice with a short role play. I'll be the passenger and you be the airline staff.
Sounds good. Go ahead.
Hello. Where is the check-in counter for Flight 208 to London?
Right over there, ma'am. Do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, right here. Wait. Oh no! My passport! I think I lost it.
What? You lost your passport and...
Just kidding. It was in my bag the whole time.
Classic Anna. Pro tip. Always check your bag before you panic.
Yes! And remember, when you check in, the staff might ask, do you have any bags to check? Would you like an aisle seat or a window seat?
After check-in, it's time for security. Here are a few phrases you might hear or need. Please place your laptop in a separate tray. Do I need to take off my shoes? Is this the line for security?
Be polite and calm. Everyone is doing the same thing.
Right. Once you're through security, you wait for boarding. That's when you might ask, what time is boarding? Is the flight on time? Which gate is my flight at?
Here's a little listening tip. At airports, listen carefully for announcements. They often say things like, Flight 208 to London is now boarding at Gate 12.
Exactly. And don't forget, you can always ask an airport staff member for help. Just start with, excuse me, and then your question.
Let's do a quick recap of today's useful airport phrases. Where is the check-in counter? Can I have a window seat, please? What time is boarding? I have one suitcase to check in. Is the flight on time?
Perfect. Try saying them out loud with us. Practice makes perfect.
Great job! Now that we've checked in, gone through security, and boarded the plane,
It looks like we've landed.
that's right. And our next stop is the hotel. Welcome to Chapter 2, at the hotel.
Yes, after a long flight, it's time to relax. But first, you need to check in. And that means using the right English phrases.
Exactly. Let's start with some simple ones you can use at the front desk. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Anna. Is breakfast included? Can someone help with my luggage?
Those are perfect. Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the hotel receptionist and you'll be the guest.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Anna.
Let me check. I don't see your name here. Are you sure it's this hotel?
Wait, what? Oh no! Maybe I booked the wrong one.
Just kidding. You're in room 307. Here's your key card.
Oh! You scared me for a second. Okay, thank you. By the way, is breakfast included?
Yes, it's served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
Great. And could someone help with my luggage?
Of course. The bellboy will take it right up.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Now let's learn some phrases you can use inside the hotel, like when you have a question or a small problem.
Yes. For example, if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can say, "Excuse me, the Wi-Fi isn't working in my room. Could you please send someone to fix it?"
Or if you're hungry, you can call room service and say, "Hello, I'd like to order room service, please. Can I have a sandwich and a bottle of water?"
Here's a fun tip. Always be polite and start with "Excuse me" or "Could you please?" It makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do another mini role play. This time a funny mix-up.
Hello, this is Anna from room 307. Could I get an extra towel, please?
Of course. Room 703, right?
No, 307.
Got it. Wait, are you sure? Because I just gave towels to a man named Bob in 307.
What? I'm definitely in 307. Oh. Maybe I walked into the wrong room.
Always check your room number before you call.
That was funny, but also a great reminder. When you arrive at your hotel, remember your room number and keep your key card safe.
Exactly. And here's a quick review of today's key hotel phrases. I have a reservation under the name. Is breakfast included? Can someone help with my luggage? The Wi-Fi isn't working in my room. I'd like to order room service, please.
Excellent! These phrases will help you handle almost any hotel situation.
Now that we're checked in, bags unpacked, and maybe a coffee in hand,
I think it's time to explore the city.
welcome to Chapter 3, Asking for Directions.
Yes! Now that we're out of the hotel, it's time to explore the city. But what happens if you get lost?
Don't worry. Today we'll teach you how to ask for and give directions in clear, polite English.
Let's start with a few useful phrases you can use when you need help. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum? Is it far from here? Could you please show me on the map?
Those are great. And if you're giving directions, you can say things like, go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. It's on the right next to the bank. It's about a 5-minute walk from here.
Perfect. Let's see these phrases in action with a fun role play. Mark, I think we're lost. The hotel was supposed to be near the museum, but I only see a supermarket and a cat cafe.
A cat cafe? Maybe the museum has moved.
Very funny. Okay, I'll ask someone. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
The museum? Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the big traffic light. It's next to the park.
Okay, go straight, turn left at the light, next to the park. Got it. Wait, I think we've been walking in circles.
Anna, I said turn left. You turned right. Twice.
Oh no. No wonder we ended up at the same cat cafe again.
That's okay. It's a great place for coffee. But here's a tip for everyone watching. When you ask for directions, listen carefully to key words like left, right, straight, or next to.
Yes. And if you're not sure, ask again politely. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? So I go straight, then turn left, right?
Good. Repeating part of the direction helps you confirm you understood.
Another good phrase is it far from here? If it's close, people might say, no, just 5 minutes. Or if it's far, they might say, you should take a taxi.
Exactly. Here's another quick role play. This time, you help me. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Of course. Go straight, then turn right at the bookstore. You'll see the station on your left.
Great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Remember, when you ask for directions, always start with "Excuse me." It's polite and friendly.
And don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually happy to assist travelers.
Let's do a quick recap of today's phrases before we move on. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum? Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. Is it far from here? Could you please show me on the map? Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Great job, everyone. Now, with these phrases, you'll never get lost again. Or if you do, at least you'll know how to ask for help politely.
That's right. And Anna, next time, maybe I'll be the one holding the map.
Deal! Now that we can ask for directions confidently,
We can travel anywhere in the world with confidence. And that's a wrap, everyone. Today we learned some super useful travel English.
let's do a quick recap. First, we practiced at the airport. Phrases like, "Where is the check-in counter?" and "Can I have a window seat, please?"
Then we checked into the hotel, asking, "Is breakfast included?" And "Can someone help with my luggage?"
Finally, we explored the city and learned how to ask for directions. "Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?" and "Go straight, then turn left."
Great job following along. Now try repeating these phrases out loud or practice with a friend. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound.
We'd love to hear from you. Which part of travel English did you find most useful? Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Fast for more fun English lessons every week. See you next time, and happy travels.